guys, welcome to CJ Socks channel. Today we will talk about how to custom socks. Firstly, find a reliable socks factory who can provide with you custom socks service. Secondly, confirm the socks styles. Now it's time to confirm your socks type. You will select the cuff design of your socks, such as no shoe, ankle, glue, or knee-high, and the fabrication technique, such as jacquard knitting, sublimation, or heat printing. Then, design your socks. Most of the socks factory have skilled designer to work with you. You only need to share your design idea. Of course, if you have completed unique designs, just send the design file to the factory. The design file should be included socks pattern, color numbers. Here we advise to choose pattern color book. Finally, you will select your order quantity to proceed quotation. When the designs are completed, usually ask the factory to customize the samples. Many factories need to pay for this progress. Take our factory as an example. It usually takes about 10 days to send the samples. After you receive the sample, you may propose some revisions. You can ask the factory for a second proofing. While samples confirm, it's time to give order to the factory. At this time, the process goes to order confirmation and the socks production. If you have any questions about socks production or custom socks, please feel free to contact me. I have over 18 years experience in manufacturing socks and ties. Thanks for your watching.